Home Remedies presents
How to make turmeric oil at home for amazing benefits. Nowadays you can obviously purchase the turmeric oil in the market as well, but I prefer making one at home. The turmeric oil can be naturally prepared with easy steps and you can enjoy the skin and health benefits from it. First, let's see how to prepare it and then I will share with you the uses. Ingredients: 2 cups of extra virgin coconut oil, olive oil or almond oil, 4 teaspoons of ground turmeric, half teaspoon whole black peppercorns. Preparation: take a saucepan and gently heat half cup of the coconut oil. Once it melts, add the peppercorns and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add the turmeric and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes while constantly stirring. Now add the remaining coconut oil and cook for 20 minutes on low heat. Switch off the flame and allow cooling. Remember not to burn turmeric while heating. Strain through a fine mesh strainer to a clean bottle. Keep at room temperature for 6 months or up to a year in the fridge. Uses of homemade turmeric oil. The oil can be used for skin massaging, which will give you a lot of benefits, like it will dry out the acne, pimples and also prevent further breakouts. Fade away marks, giving you a blemish-free skin. Applied on cracked heels will give you soft heels in no time. Massaging on your face every night will soon bloom your skin. It will diminish fine lines and wrinkles from your skin. Applied on the area of concern will help relieve inflammation. Mixing few drops with your regular oil will help with hair loss due to fungal infection and dandruff, giving you infection-free and healthy scalp. Regular body massage removes all the skin imperfections, giving a healthy skin complexion. It's worth trying, right? So, what you are waiting for? Just go and make one for yourself today.
If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.